everyone, and welcome to another video. And today I'm not using any technology to do this. I'm actually breathing helium on this video. Yeah. Okay. We're doing a review of this car here. So let's get started with the turntable. Oops, that hurt. I dropped a car. Okay, so as you all know, I had the entire set except for this car. Now I do have it, and as you can see, it's not one of my favorites, but let's breathe in more helium because that's fun.
Okay, so in my opinion, this is one of the worst cars in the set. It's the yellow base, really. It's a really nice car in real life. It's a really nice car in the way, but I think the base being yellow really does defeat it, but it's also a very cool car. I love the bumper stickers. Okay, I'm going to breathe in a lot this time. Okay. Okay. Okay, oh wow, that's right fix. Okay, so as you can see, the car is right there with the red decal. Okay, my head's gonna hurt all night. Oh, I think I'm gonna pass out.
With the... Oh, I feel all weird and tingly. As you can see, there's the rendering. I was just doing this video so I can do helium. That was fun. Okay, it's got all deco except for top deco. Almost all the cars have top deco, and the other decos except for this one, so that defeats it as well. But I still love it. I still think it's a great car. I just think it could use different stuff. But I think it's still a great car. And now let's breathe in some more helium because we all love it. What am I going to say this time? Oh, I've got an idea.
Okay, so as you all know, I went to America and got lots of cars, and I have stopped pursuing all the videos on cars I got in America because it's sad.
Oh man, that's fun. I do have one more car to do, except for my mum was the one that bought it in America. It was a green light, and she really likes it, and she hasn't gone around to opening it yet, so when she opens it, I'm going to do a video of it. So just to let you know that's to come. I just wanted to tell you guys I own this, and I really love the red decal on that. That's really nice. I actually kind of like the blue and purple one a bit better than that, the blue and purple regular one. Okay, let's breathe in just a little bit more.
And I will see you guys in my next video. Once I'm done breathing this helium, there's just a little bit left. Woo! Oh, I'm going to pass out.
Yeah, it feels great. Okay, I'm going to try to breathe in a whole lot this time, and then I'm going to end the video. This is fun. I'm out. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.